Hey, what is going on, folks? Got me a JBL Go 4. I can't believe that this is like the latest and greatest now. I have Go 2 and Go 3, and it's been a while. JBL finally updated the Go series and released the Go 4. I can't believe it. It's here. Anyway, so first thing first, I noticed that they kind of did the whole recyclable material on these boxes now. It's not the cool plasticky box anymore. So FYI on that one, they did kind of change the look up a little bit. All right, let's take a look here. This, I think the form factor kind of stayed the same. Now the look though definitely has changed. So let's see what else is in here. Tiny USB cord and some instruction booklet. All right, so let's take a look here. Still got the whole rubber feet down here where you know you can kind of throw it down and it'll stay. Got some more rubber feet down here, which there's a lot of protection going on here, guys, including one that is on the strap right here. The strap definitely is different now. A little bit elastic, I would say, just tiny elastic. USB-C is exposed right here, but I believe I read up on these that they are waterproof, just like your iPhone, right? If you have your iPhone and these ports are exposed, they are still waterproof, so it's okay. Power button and Bluetooth button are on the side here, and play and volume buttons on the top. Okay, still got the big JBL logo on the front. Let's turn it on. Still got the iconic startup sound. All right, let me go ahead and connect this thing. Oh, right there. Connect it right away. Good job. Okay, let's do a little test on this thing right here. We're gonna play some China song. That is so loud. So opinions on this, okay? I think that it's just as loud as the Go 3, to be honest with you. Form factor is definitely different. I mean, they've improved a few things on here. I mean, the lanyard, a lot of protection. I feel like I think I can, you know, just throw this thing and drop it and it'll be okay. So that's why I do notice everything about this is the same. It is just as loud as the Go 3, in my opinion. So anyway, hope you guys find that one useful. The Go 4, brand new from JBL. Have a good one. Bye-bye.